Ever wondered what happens inside your computer when you press a key or click a mouse? Today, we'll break it down step by step. Let's explore how a PC works. It all starts with input devices like your keyboard, mouse, or even your microphone. These devices send instructions or data to your computer. For example, when you press a key, it sends an electronic signal to the PC. Next up, the central processing unit, or CPU, jumps into action. This is the brain of your computer. It processes the data and executes instructions from the software. To make things faster, the CPU uses RAM, or random access memory, to temporarily store the data it needs to access quickly. Think of RAM as your desk and the CPU as you working on it. Now let's talk about storage. This is where all your files, programs, and even the operating system live. Modern PCs usually have a solid-state drive, SSD, for speed, or a hard drive, HDD, for larger storage capacity. When you open a file, it gets loaded from the storage into RAM so the CPU can process it. Once the data is processed, it's sent to output devices like your monitor, speakers, or printer. This is how you see the result of your input, whether it's text on a screen, music through speakers, or a printed document. The magic behind all of this is the operating system, or OS, like Windows or Mac OS. It acts as a bridge between you and the hardware, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Apps like browsers and games run on the OS to help you perform specific tasks. What about the internet? That's where your network card comes in, connecting your PC to the world via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. It enables browsing, streaming, and sharing files. And powering it all is the power supply unit, or PSU. It converts electricity from your wall socket into usable power for the components. Without it, nothing would work. So, that's how a PC works. From input to processing, storage to output, and everything in between, it's a beautifully coordinated system. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechAssistHub for more tech insights. See you in the next video.